Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about my topic, why combating corruption is important in the Philippines today. This topic is very important because corruption is one of the problems that continues to affect our country and the lives of many Filipinos. And as a student, as a Filipino, this issue is personally concerning. Every time I hear news about corruptions, I cannot help but to feel disappointed and frustrated. Because in reality, corruption does not only affect the government, it affects ordinary people, families, and communities who are simply hoping for a better future. According to former United Nations Secretary General Kofi Annan, corruption is an insidious pledge that has a wide range of corruption. Its effect on society. This means that corruption slowly damages the systems that are supposed to help people. It weakens institutions, destroys trust, and prevents countries from moving forward. First, corruption slows down the development of our country. The government collects taxes from citizens and the money should be used to improve our communities' buildings, roads, improving schools, and supporting hospitals. And these projects are meant to make life better for the Filipino. However, when corruption happens, some of that money is not used properly. Because of this, projects become delayed, unfinished, or purely constructed. And instead of helping communities grow, corruptions become a barrier to progress. Second, corruption weakens the trust between the government and the people. Trust is a very important in any nation because citizens need to believe that their leaders truly care about their welfare. But when corruption scandals continue to appear, people begin to question whether those in power are really serving the public. As a young Filipino, it is painful to see how corruption can make people lose hope in leadership. Lastly, corruptions also affect the quality of public services that many people depend on every day. Education, healthcare, and social programs rely on government funding. And if corruption happens, these services may not reach the communities that need them the most. And some schools may lack classroom or learning materials. And some hospitals may lack the equipment needed to save lives. In the end, it is the ordinary citizen who suffer the most. And when I think about this issue, I realize that corruption is not just about politics or money. It is about the future of our country. It is about whether every Filipino have equal opportunities for education, healthcare, and a better life. That's why corruption is very important. It's remains a serious issue in the Philippines because it slows down the development, weakens public trust, and affects the services that people rely on. And if we truly want a better future for our nation, we must stand